me, Abigayle. Today we're going to make chicken wings. These chicken wings have been marinated in salt, pepper, and garlic. Now we turn on the fryer. Place the chicken in the basket. Don't forget to wash your hands after you touch the chicken. Set the fryer for 360 degrees and for 25 minutes. Perfect. Put it on a plate and now enjoy.